Welcome to Zero Day Swag. I'm your narrator and your plastic accountability buddy. Call me Toy Soldier Sarcastic Specialist. Around here, we break down every guard MOS like it's a tactical loadout, minus the sugar coating, no fluff, no recruiters in polos, just the truth. Let's see what this one's made of. This is 15 Bravo, Aircraft Powerplant Repairer, where we fix the guards' problems starting with their engines. Let's go. You're the one who makes sure helicopters don't fall out of the sky mid-mission. You'll inspect, maintain, and rebuild turbine engines, fuel systems, electrical systems, hydraulics. If it moves, hums, or leaks, you're fixing it. You'll disassemble, diagnose, and realign parts. You can't just Google. One mistake, that Black Hawk turns into a lawn dart. No pressure. Training includes basic, then over 17 weeks of AIT. It's deep dive aviation maintenance, not your cousin's weekend wrenching. This MOS is for precision mechanics who like responsibility, complexity, and not crashing. If you're the type who reads torque specs for fun, this is home. On the civilian side, you're cleared for takeoff with FAA track experience. Commercial airlines, private jets, defense contractors, they all need people who can fix what flies. Got questions? Ask your recruiter. Don't be weird about it, you're fine. That's one MOS explainer vid down. Many more to go. You're either in the squad or your background noise. Check the rest of the playlist. Pick your chaos. 0 Day Swag's got an MOS explainer for it. Oh yeah, like and hit subscribe. Or don't, I'm just a toy. If you're still here, enjoy. Yeah, this track slaps, you're welcome.